What's up guys, Matt from Standout Specialties. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something a little different. We're going to do a review of some Morimoto 4Banger lights. Right here are the HXB 4Bangers in yellow flood. This is going to be going on a fog light kit for a 4th gen Ram 2500 behind me. Super nice kit. They include all the parts you need. You get brackets, you get your surrounds that give a really nice factory look, as well as the adapters and all the hardware needed. These are the Morimoto HXBs, which is a step up from their NCS line. A little more expensive, but they're advertised as 40% brighter and a bit more reach on the light beam as well. We're going to install these on this truck. We're going to do one at a time so we can compare to what the factory lights look like, and then we'll show you the finished product. All right, let's get to it. Alright guys, so as you can see, we got one Morimoto HXB 4Banger in. Here is our factory fog with your Amazon LED bulb in there. This is really just kind of like a blinding, all over the place spread light, where the HXB has a really nice crisp cutoff line. It's not super dark out, but I can show you at least on the garage door here. The yellow Morimoto is way wider of a spread, especially with only one more, and you get a really nice distinct cutoff line. So super nice quality. We're going to get back to it and throw the other side in, and we'll show you guys a video when it's all done at nighttime. Alright guys, so that's a wrap for the Morimoto fog light install / 4Banger light review. Super impressed with the quality of their products, honestly. The fit's great. They give you a really nice OEM finish, and everything was really plug and play. Super simple on this one. We're going to wrap this video up by taking it outside, show you some nighttime driving clips and things of that nature to see how bright these lights actually are. But overall, super nice quality product. If you have any questions or want to order a set for yourself, give us a call today.